Hola amigos, welcome back to I Speak Spanish. And today you will learn the Spanish alphabet, essential greetings, and how to introduce yourself. All of that in under 7 minutes. So, let's go. Vamos. Okay, friends. Spanish has 27 letters, same as in English, plus ñ. Most sound similar, but watch these 6 troublemakers. Okay, let's start with the letter ñ. Ñ. It's like a soft NY sound, similar to the word canyon, okay, or onion. But you say ñ, ñ, like niño, 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 o España, España, o mañana, 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 ña, ña. Good. Double R. We have doble R, like perro, perro, o carro. Come on, try it. Drr, carro, arroz, arroz. Good. Also, we have J. J always an English H sound. For example, Julio, o jirafa, o Jose. Next, G. G. It has 2 sounds. Soft H, like in English, before letter E or E. For example, gente o gigante, gigante. Also, the hard G sound. You can find it elsewhere. For example, gato, gato, o garaje, garaje. Okay, next, V, V. This one sounds like B as in boy, guys. In English, you have V as in Victor and B as in boy, but in Spanish, both sound as B as in boy. For example, vino o Valencia. Double L, doble L. Usually sounds like J for James. For example, lluvia, lluvia, o pollo, pollo. Alright, there you go, guys. It's very simple. Okay, friends. Let's say it slowly together. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H. This one is silent, guys. Whenever you see it, just don't mention it. For example, hola, in the word hola, o huevo. I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, ñ, ñ, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V. Okay, again, this one sounds as B as in boy. Okay, no difference. W, W, X, X, Y, Y. And lastly, we have Z, Z. In Latin America, say it with S. Z, Z, not Zeta. It's just Zeta with S. So you say zapato, zapato, o pereza, pereza. Okay, friends, now let's talk about greetings. Use hola anytime. Okay, hola, hola. As I told you earlier, the H is silent, so don't say it, just say hola. In the morning, you say buenos dias, buenos dias, buenos dias. Good morning. Buenas tardes, buenas tardes, buenas noches, buenas noches. It means good evening or good night, okay? We only have buenas noches in Spanish. Also, we have adios. Adios. Adios means goodbye. Or you can say hasta luego. Hasta luego. O hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. See you later. Okay, so you say buenos dias. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal means how are you or how's it going? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Buenos dias. ¿Qué tal? You can answer that like hola, muy bien. ¿Y tú? Hola, muy bien. ¿Y tú? Okay, guys, to ask someone's name, you can say ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Llamas. ¿Cómo te llamas? And you can reply me llamo and your name, okay? For example, ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Luis. Okay, next, let's learn how to say where you're from. To ask, where are you from? You say, ¿de dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? You can answer that, soy de, and you say your country. For example, soy de Canadá or soy de Australia and things like that. Okay, and that's it for today, folks. If this helped you, give us a like and subscribe. Comment below, me llamo and soy de, and I'll respond to you in Spanish as soon as I can. Hasta la próxima.